With the Indian government pushing to introduce ethanol-powered vehicles, TVS Motor Company has showcased the ethanol-powered TVS Apache RTR 204 volts Phi. The bike remains visually unchanged over the conventional version, but gets the ethanol branding across the fuel tank. Last month, Union Minister for Transport and Highways, MoRTH, Nitin Gadkari had said that bike manufacturers will introduce motorcycles powered by ethanol. The ethanol-powered Apache looks ready for production, and TVS should be able to introduce one, if the regulations change in the early future. The TVS Apache RTR 205 ethanol comes with a similar 200cc single-cylinder motor tuned to produce 20.7 bhp at 8,500 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 18.1 Nm at 7,000 revolutions per minute. The top speed is a claimed 129 km/h. The ethanol-powered Apache gets electronic fuel injection with twin-spray twin-port system that ensures better power delivery while burning cleaner and emitting few gases. The use of ethanol also reduces carbon emissions by a good margin while also reducing depending on fossil fuels. The adoption of ethanol more actively is not only expected to reduce our import cost on fuels but also give a boost to the agricultural sector, since ethanol is domestically produced from plant sources.